Hello dear students, I welcome you all again. The objective of this short video is to make you familiar with the data analysis tool of Microsoft Excel, that is MS Excel. Most of time it may happen that if we open our MS Excel worksheet on any computer and we try to find a data analysis tool and it doesn't appear. We cannot find the data analysis tool. Fine. In that case, what to do? How to add that data analysis tool in our Microsoft Excel? Fine. That I am going to tell you in this short video. What is the use of data analysis tool? Data analysis tool in MS Excel, it helps us to give statistical treatment on our data. The data which is available with us in that worksheet or in that Microsoft Excel sheet. Fine. So in this short video, we are going to see that how can we add a data analysis tool in MS Excel. First of all, I'll tell you that where exactly it is located, and where we can search whether it is available or not. So simply, I'll go to menu. I'll open a new workbook or a new worksheet. Now simply, I'll go to the menu bar, and in that I'll click on the data, and in data I'll go to the end. Now here you can see that the data analysis is available here. So first of all, I'll remove it and then we'll see that how to add it. Fine. So to remove it, first of all, I'll go to Office button, then I'll go to Excel option. First, I'm going to remove it and then we'll see that how can we add the analysis, that data analysis tool back. Fine. Now come to data now again. Now if I click here on the data, you can see that the data analysis is now, it is not there, it is not visible, it is not available in this worksheet. Now in that case, how to add data analysis? For that, simply I'll have to go to my Office button first. Click on your Office button, go to the lower part. Here is the Excel options. You click on it, then again new dialog box appears, and in that new dialog box there are different Excel options, the popular or the formulas or proofing. There are many, but you are going to select or choose add-ins. Fine. So we are going to click on add-ins option. So once I click, again new dialog box appears, and in this new dialog box you can see that to the lower side here is the option manage. Now here if you click on this button, there are again 3-4 options, but you will have to choose Excel add-ins and then click on go button. It may possible that some of the listeners can directly go to OK, means they can click on OK, but that will be the wrong step. Again I repeat, most of the time it happens that listeners, they click on the add-ins and directly they go to OK button, but that will be the wrong step. First you will have to click on go button. So in our case, we are also going to click on go button. So once I click on go, new dialog box appears, and in this new dialog box you simply have to select analysis tool back. Once you select the analysis tool back, once the right sign is here, then you simply go and click on OK. Once I click on OK, you can observe here in my MS Excel in a data menu. Fine. In a data menu, at the end of data menu, here my data analysis, now it appears. Fine. So our data analysis is now ready with us. Now if I click on the data analysis, you can see that the new dialog box appears, and in this new dialog box, if you will see that we can give now statistical treatment on our data. What kind of statistical treatments we can give using data analysis? You can see that the correlation we can go with, covariance, descriptive statistics, mean, median, mode and range, and many other things. Fine. F test that we can go with. ANOVA is also there. Now I'll scroll. Once I scroll, you can see that even we can go for this Regression also we can go with. We can compute rank, percentile, t-test, z-test, hypothesis testing also we can do with the help of data analysis. So that is the way that we can add data analysis tool to our Microsoft Excel. I hope you have understood this, and in upcoming lectures we'll see that exactly how can we give how can we give any statistical treatment to the data. That we'll see in the upcoming videos. For time being, we'll stop here. Thank you for your kind listening. Thank you.